Are you on the lookout for an umbrella that's stylish, easy to use and built to last? Well, keep watching to learn more about the Shadowspec SU2 Cafe umbrella and why it's a simple and versatile shade solution. Hi, I'm Annabella from SpaWorld, and I'm going to run you through the main features that you'll find on the Shadowspec SU2 Cafe umbrella. Watching this video should give you a good idea of what this umbrella can offer and if this model could be right for you. The Shadowspec SU2 is a simple centre pole umbrella that does a brilliant job at casting shade. If you're looking for an umbrella that's easy to use, made with marine grade materials and really versatile, then this umbrella could be a great option. But if you're looking for an umbrella that you want to rotate, tilt, has a cantilever design and slightly larger, then another model in this range could be better. Okay, let's take a look at some of the Shadowspec SU2's main features. Are you after an umbrella that casts shade that actually protects you from UV rays? Well, with this canopy here, it has a UPF rating of 50+, and the canopy is also 100% solution dyed and made with marine grade quality material. If the umbrella is braving the elements, well, you want the exposed parts to be strong and be made of quality materials. The SU2 comes with a number of quality components, including its anodised aluminium frame and pole. It's marine grade, which means that it can withstand conditions similar to what you would find at sea. There are different bases to suit different wants and needs. For example, if you want to keep your umbrella in one place, there is a solution for that. If you want to be able to move your umbrella around, we've got that covered too. If you have a base at home, it's also very likely that the SU2 will fit into it as well. When opening the umbrella, simply untie the cord around the canopy, pull out the umbrella arms, use the commercial grade pulley rope to hoist the umbrella up, then insert the locking pin in place, and then you're good to go. Now that we've covered off some of the main features, it's also important to remember that you can customize parts of the umbrella to your choosing. For example, you can choose from 6 canopy colors, 4 different canopy shapes and sizes, and 4 mounting options. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it's given you a really good idea of what the SU2 umbrella can offer and if it could be a good option for you. To learn more, you can head over to our website to learn more about the Shadowspec SU2 as well as the other models in the Shadowspec range that we sell.